heading into Sci-fi dine-in theatres. We've got a reservation for a late lunch. So this is the menu for Sci-fi. Doing more of it. Is it not just the same, or is it completely different? Like that. Yeah, got all the drinks on the back. And I've got pina colada, Bailey's coffee, Godiva martini. Oh, that sounds nice. Thank you. And then got all of the desserts on here as well, which I definitely think I'm gonna get that. That sounds amazing. I'm gonna get pina colada. Really? Yeah. I'm definitely gonna get this. Sounds delicious. And then we're at the movies. This is like the best themed restaurant that we've been to. Yeah, so am I. Got our cocktails. It looks amazing. So we got the Oreo shake mixed with Godiva chocolate liqueur and a seasonal glow cube, and this, which is quite a big portion of a drink. It was $16, wasn't it? And then they've just got a little film on for us to watch. So our food's just come out. Well, the fries look nice, don't they? Then I got the barbecue bacon burger, and then Mum got a cheesesteak sandwich. Oh, baguette, that's massive. With like cheese and beef and everything. That looks so delicious. So it's a hot donut with like apple pie and cinnamon, and then vanilla ice cream and fruit.
I said I was going to eat that on Friday.
No, I'm so full. This looks really delicious though. 95. That's not bad really. For how much we've had, plus the cocktails. It's really good. So this is all the back of it. It's proper like a movie set, isn't it? Snow. Oh. Yeah, aren't they? Off to see the Frozen show. Perfect for the weather because it's a little bit chilly outside. What's wrong with me now?
Very special day! It's special because for the first time in, well, forever, Alice and I will be celebrating Arendelle's ringing of the Yule bells! I'm Anna! Oh, right, Princess Anna.
Princess Anna, come on everybody!
I'm there, thanks. And now it's my great honor to introduce to you the royal historians of Arendelle.
Okay! Hi, I'm Aria! Hello everyone!
And I am Sir Eric.
And that is, ooh,
Fine. Just Eric.
Thank you, just Eric. And a better way to ring in the season than for the royal historians to share the story of our kingdom and our queen, who just happens to be my sister, Queen Elsa!
Where is Queen Elsa?
I've been waiting for this moment for so long.
I don't know. Have any of you seen my sister? She's about so tall, blonde, kind of keeps to herself. Oh, and she has these weird, icy snow powers, like, No, huh? Oh, I know. Hey, Elsa, do you want to build a snowman? Yeah, that never really works.
Story. And there were two sisters who loved each other very much.
Princess Anna and Princess Elsa.
But Princess Elsa was different. She was born with special powers.
Oh, magical powers. She could create snow and ice, and Anna loved playing in her snow.
But then one night something terrible happened.
Oh, yes.
Princess Elsa built a giant snow monster.
No, we're getting ahead of ourselves again. No. This is when Elsa hits Anna with her powers and freezes her head.
The king and queen rushed Princess Anna to the help of the trolls. Yes. Now, you don't know what a troll is, consider yourself lucky. They're mischievous creatures with strange magic.
Oh, did you sleep through all of Arendelle History 101?
There's an Arendelle History 101?
Yes, and this is when Elsa becomes Queen of Arendelle.
But what about her snowy powers?
She was scared they would show and be cast out of the kingdom forever.
All while Princess Anna was dreaming of the possibility of opening up the castle doors for the first time in... Please let it go. The cold never bothered me anyway.
Well, that's a good thing. There's a lot more snow in the story. Yeah, Princess Anna, thinking this entire mess was her fault,
Which it was.
went out into the blizzard to find her sister, which she did.
Idea of summer and sun and all things hot.
Really? I'm guessing you don't have much experience with heat.
Nope.
Arendelle have been sharing our story.
Thank you. That was a very good story you told, though the ending felt strange.
Welcome.
Well, Olaf did help out a lot.
But Anna, you saved our whole kingdom. It was you that saved your sister and yourself.
An act of true love will thaw a frozen heart.
My sister Elsa, I love you.
So we just finished the Frozen show and we're actually going to head over to Star Tours now. And then after Star Tours, is it our Rover's Canteen or is that not yet?
Canteen's at 5:45.
Okay, so after we've done this we can head over and have a look through Galaxy's Edge. So yeah, we're going to have a Star Wars afternoon, but we're just heading around now. That was really nice, I enjoyed that. It was good seeing the Christmas ending as well. But yeah, we're just heading to Star Tours now. Oh, it's chilly.
First, you cut through your opponent's left shoulder.
We don't want our heads chopped off. That's the point of that story. I like it. You may continue, Nidris.
Ready position.
Watch for your stance. Ready position.
To the left shoulder, right shoulder. Step back and jump.
Get down.
Finally, stand and cut to the head.
How you doing?
Come up here.
Well, fix it and hurry. Don't insult me rather than scrap pile. At least I'm doing my job. Yes, I am. So just you here have been fixing that pipeline.
God, he's got a walk. It must be. Oh, look, he's got tinsel on his sign, Mum. Rex. Oh yeah, look at it. He's an antler. He's an antler.
trying to stay calm up here because Jesse told me it's not the time to panic. You're late. This is the perfect time to panic.
Mom, it jingles.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, I bought a Bud Light earlier. That's what I did buy.
You see that guy's Christmas jumper? No. It was Donald Trump in a hat saying fake news, putting the star on a Christmas tree.
Make Christmas great again.
Yeah, but that one was like laughing at him. Where's Christmas ham? That's so cool. I love that.
That's a cookie.
I do like the popcorn garland though around the Woody's lunchbox. Yeah, I think so. Do you want to go and read the menu? I think this is the weirdest contrast between like swapping parks. Which one? Oh, the one right.
I would bomb that.
Yeah, no, I can't do that now. That Galaxy's whatever ride we've just done was a bit too much.
When we set off backwards, I'm like, oh no. Oh no.
It's really cool. I think it makes Toy Story Land even better now because you can just walk through it, doesn't it?
Then when the walls up, you went like take a photo of the walls.
Oh yeah. Oh, you can't hear Toy Story at all now.
No. It's on a different planet. Of course you can't.
Where are we?
While we walk, okay?
Do you think that's where you make the droids in there? Should we have a look? Because there's a giant picture of a droid on the side. And then Ronta's Roasters is up there. It is incredible. The whole family's dressed up. Whoop.
That was the ship. Yeah. No, look at it, Will. Look at me for a minute. Look at me. Give me your arm.
Yeah, it is through here, look.
Check out the door.
Yeah, I know.
I don't want anything.
We've got loads of different... different personality chips for them, oh, so you literally just grab one of everything you need and put it in a basket, and then there's a picture up there, look, to see what you want. That's so cool. Then you actually have to build it, don't you? There's like proper tools and stuff. It's so cool.
And then put one there, don't we?
Yeah. Oh, different panels you can get to see. So are these like extras to, oh, proper bling it up, look.
Look at the serving tray with the drinks on it and the arm.
That's so cool.
We got 106 this time.
Wait.
It's really heavy.
Flashes. Put that on your head, that is so heavy. Like in terms of ears.
Yeah, I think we fell on the floor, it's totally break.
Yeah, it would. You can get bags for them as well, Mum.